This is John over at Swift Air, and this is the Swift Air Smart Check. So, the question of the day is, what's the one thing in your home that can make your HVAC system work harder without you realizing it? And Victoria Prado actually nails one, which is blocked air vents. That is one of the ones on the list. So, I'm going to cheat a little bit and I'm going to use Chat GPT and we're going to go down the list, and I'm probably going to agree with all of it. But the first one is a dirty air filter, which it can restrict airflow. I agree 100%. It will make your unit run harder because there's less airflow coming across that evaporator coil and less heat is being rejected in your home. Closed or blocked vents, that's going to stop any CFMs getting to your rooms. Um, Dirty condenser or evaporator coil. Same thing like a dirty filter. It's not going to allow that heat to be rejected out of your condenser, and there's not going to be a lot of air coming across that evaporator coil. Leaky ductwork. That's a huge one right there. A lot of people don't think about their ductwork until it's absolutely too late, and a lot of cool air gets thrown into your attic. You get condensation, and then you start having a slew of problems from damaged ceilings to damaged ductwork and then leaking back to your unit and causing rust and all types of things. So leaky ductwork is a huge one. Poor attic insulation. If your insulation is getting on the older side, definitely that can pour some heat into your home, making your unit run a lot longer. Thermostat placement or misuse. So if you're messing with your thermostat too much, not allowing it to hit that set temperature, that can be a big problem. The placement as well, if it's not close to a return or depending on the location of your unit, or it's below a supply, that can also affect your AC unit from working properly. Old or inefficient windows. If you have the single pane windows, it's going to allow more heat into the home, again, making that HVAC run longer. Your ceiling fans are turned in the wrong direction. For summertime, you want them to spin counterclockwise. Winter, you want them to spin clockwise. Number 9, dirty return grills. Now, this one's interesting to me, but dust builds up. Limits are being pulled back into the system. Okay, maybe the same thing. It's going to go towards a dirty evaporator coil and it's just going to stop airflow from coming across. So those might go hand in hand. And heat producing appliances used at peak times. Like me, I got a gaming computer. I love to use it in the summer, and it's 95 degrees out here in Corpus Christi. The computer runs at, I believe, close to 60 to 70 Celsius, which is quite hot for my room, and my AC has to work a lot harder. Same thing with appliances and anything around the house. So I'm John over at Swift Air. That is a quick homeowner checklist. And hopefully that answered the question of the day. If you have any more questions, give us a call at 361-882-2111, and you can speak with an expert like me. We won't use ChatGPT. We'll go off of our knowledge, but we use ChatGPT just to kind of give us the basis for what we know. Again, any questions, give us a call, 361-882-2111.